In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook notification sounds on your desktop, PC or laptop. So in your browser, when you've got Facebook opened, go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the top right, then tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap into Settings. In here, you want to look at the far left hand side of your screen and look for the notifications option. Tap into this. Now in here, just ignore these notification options. You're wanting to go to your browser notifications. So you see down here, tap into browser. First of all, we can turn off our Chrome push notifications. So let's do that first. Now your page will refresh, so what you'll need to do is go back into that same setting to turn off the other two options. So scroll down and turn off each of these options and you will not get notified for any messages within Facebook on your PC, laptop or desktop.